Hey everybody, hope y'all are doing good. I tell you what, I've been about stressed out. I've been doing training to do these Google Classrooms and Google Sheets and Google Docs and Google this and Google that, and I'm about sick of it. I don't know what's going to happen. We've got to create lessons for students that we potentially might have in person. There's some students are going to be totally online. Some's going to be online but may not have internet access. We have to create lessons for the ones in person, create lessons for the ones online, and create lessons in a separate format for the ones that doesn't have internet service. It's ridiculous. I'm just so frustrated. I wish we could just go back to normal. Forget all this corona stuff ever happened. I know it's a thing, people sick and people's died from it, but I still don't think it's hardly as bad as what it's being made out to be. I mean, if you compare the cases of that to the flu and different things we encounter every year, I mean, if we saw all the flu cases reported that happens from year to year, I guess we'd have been scared to death a long time ago. And I try to take it serious and stay clean and all that stuff, but it's just getting out of control. It's going to hurt us more than we ever imagined in the long run with our education system and our businesses. I went to get some metal today at Robinette Steel. They're down to one person in the office. It's just totally destroying our country. I don't know. I hate it for people. I feel lucky to have a job, but I tell you, it's about to overwhelm me too. I feel for all the teachers and school personnel out there. Things are totally different than it's ever been, and I'm afraid this is the way it's going to be. And teaching a trade program like I do, teaching welding, you know, them kids need to be there. They're students. They're not kids, they're students. They need to be there. I need to be with them. They need to be with me. And that's the only way we'll ever accomplish an effective education system, is to be in person. This distance learning don't work. It gets you by a little bit, but it don't work. It's just like me trying to do this stuff at home right now. I can I just can't focus. It's hard. I mean, if I'm at school and on the clock and know that's what I've got to be doing right then, that's one thing, but it's so hard to do stuff from home. That's the way the students are. They don't want, if they're home, they can't sit down and concentrate and do what they need to do and pay attention. They don't have the people there, the resources to ask. And it's just like if I'm at school, I can go ask other teachers, say, hey, how you do this? What are you doing here? What are you doing there? But when I'm home alone, hey, what you got? You ain't got nobody. Can't get a hold of people on the phone and that kind of stuff. Well, anyways, I'm done with that. But we went and got some flat bar here for a project we're going to be doing in a few days. I think y'all will enjoy seeing that when we get around to it. I did get a new GoPro. I got the 7 black. Started to get the 8, but I didn't. I didn't mean to go off on such a tangent about school. Been on my mind. I need to talk to somebody about it. I don't know how that's going to affect our videos. I got a feeling I'm not going to have much time to do anything work-wise like I normally do. Probably all be in the dark. Let me grab a chain here. Whole thing's been parked down in there quite a while. Seems like there's some bees flying around too. Don't know about that. Old pallet junk here. Don't want to get a flat. Got nails in it. This is an old 120 Massey Ferguson, like the one I use. It was give to me. It's decent shape. I could probably fix it and get it to Baler. Plunger may be stuck in it now though, it's sat there so long. But it's a good parts machine if I ever need it. I'll go up here and get the 245 and we'll get this bush hogged. Well, let's see if it's old 245 or far up. It's been a couple weeks since I've even been on a tractor, other than just now with that Kubota. Oh, me. Well, time to quit complaining. Hard to beat these old Fergusons. Don't know that I'd have a new one. I had always wondered, I'd seen people on YouTube and TV and pictures and stuff of getting vehicles and equipment and stuff, trees growed up in them. I was like, how in the world they ever let the stuff get in that shape? Well, I just about found out. But anyways, that looks a whole lot better. I don't know if I'm gonna put that old hay baler back in there or not. I'm gonna have to decide where to park it at. I'll look around a little bit here and I'll get back to you. I guess y'all saw me trying to get that ease in there and get that chain loose. Apparently I parked right on top of a hornet's nest. My left rear tire was on it when I got off. It was surrounded with hornets. And so I went around the other side, tried to ease in there and get it unhooked. They swarming around that tongue and stuff. I don't know if you can see it on the camera or not. And got it unhooked and climbed back up on the opposite side, which is not the easiest. And took off out of there because I'm allergic to bees and I didn't want to get stung, that's for sure. But anyways, appreciate you watching. If you will, like, subscribe, comment, and I don't know what's going to happen with the videos. There may be a little bit less of them, or haven't really decided yet. And of course, I don't know what's going to happen either till we get back in school fully. But may only do a couple a week or something. I'd like to do what I can, you know. May have to change the style of how I do them and put multiple projects into one and just a little less footage of each. I don't know. Or may work out for the best. Y'all may end up liking it better. We'll experiment a little bit and see. But I hope y'all stick with me, and I'll try to do as good as I can. I'm not the best ever was, but I'm trying. Hopefully this new camera will help out a little bit and get a little better footage and hopefully better sound. I don't know. This is our first video with it. We'll see how it turns out. Y'all let me know what you think. Talk to you later.